Today I want to share everything you need to know about MITOLYN and what real users are saying about it in consumer reports. If you're someone who's been struggling with weight loss or just looking for a supplement that works naturally without side effects, you've probably come across MITOLYN. It's marketed as an herbal weight management formula that supports metabolism, energy levels, and overall well-being. But does it actually work? Let's dive into the reviews, both the good and the not so good. So first, let me tell you about the positive feedback I've come across. A lot of people are saying amazing things about MITOLYN. For starters, many users report noticeable weight loss within just a few weeks of using it. One person mentioned they lost 10 pounds in the first month without drastically changing their diet. They said it helped curb their appetite and gave them more energy throughout the day, which is something we all could use, right? Another big plus is that MITOLYN focuses on improving your metabolism by targeting your mitochondria, the little powerhouses in your cells. People have shared how the supplement not only helped them shed some extra pounds, but also made them feel more energized and less sluggish. A few even said they noticed improvements in their digestion and skin health, which is like an added bonus. What I love about MITOLYN is that it uses 100% natural ingredients like maqui berry, rhodiola, and schisandra. These are well known for their antioxidant and stress relieving properties. One user talked about how rhodiola helped them manage stress eating, and another said maqui berry seemed to reduce bloating and inflammation. It's non-GMO, free from artificial additives, and made in an FDA approved facility, so it's definitely a high quality product. Now let's talk about some of the complaints people have shared. First, the results aren't the same for everyone. While some people see quick results, others say it takes a bit longer, like 3 months, to notice significant changes. So if you're someone looking for overnight results, this might not be the one for you. But honestly, any natural supplement takes time, so patience is key. Another thing some people aren't too happy about is the price. A single bottle costs $59, but which some feel is a bit expensive, but here's the thing: you can save a lot by going for the 3 bottle package for $147 or the 6 bottle package for $234, and both come with free shipping. It's definitely worth it if you're planning to commit to using it long term. One more thing to keep in mind is that MITOLYN is only available on its official website. While this ensures you're getting the real deal and not some fake product, it can be a bit inconvenient for people who prefer shopping on platforms like Amazon. But on the bright side, they offer a 90-day money-back guarantee, so it's completely risk-free. If it doesn't work for you, you can just get a refund. So is MITOLYN worth trying? Based on everything I've seen and read, I'd say yes. It's a great option for people looking for a natural, safe, and effective way to lose weight and boost their health. Just remember, consistency is super important. If you're ready to give it a go, make sure to grab it from the official website to avoid fake products and to take advantage of the discounts and money-back guarantee. I hope this helps you decide whether MITOLYN is the right choice for you. If you've already tried it, let me know your experience. I'd love to hear how it worked for you.